Abakuru rwo mu ihanga erya Rwanda hamwe na Uganda abarumuyavez muneza hamwe n'abajekerwa okurwo muri za district ezirya Hansharo omuri district eya Kabare, Kisoro, Rubanda, Ruchiga hamwe na Ntungamo berundanire a White Horse in Kabare omu district eya Kabare ahibagizereho orukiko orwo mutano
to try and iron out the small bottlenecks that could likely harm our relations, because big things come out of small things. If we solve the issues at the lower tactical levels, then we would have no issues at the strategic level.
I'd like to register my sincere appreciation to the head of delegation from the Rwandan, from the Republic of Rwanda, for having honored our invitation to come.
I must appreciate on behalf of the delegation Uganda's collaboration and flexibilities in the organization of this meeting. Our smooth collaboration in the preparation of this meeting gives me advanced optimism that this meeting will be a unique success.
Ebirigere omu rukiko nibyija kwanjururwa ba president abamahanga gagombi.
We must all commit to work ahead of us at our respective levels. We cannot think of our recommendations as the outcome of our work. We must all resort to translate our recommendations into concrete advices to our principles that will deliver results to our to our people.
And these cross-border meetings were not going to be held by the heads of state, but by ourselves at different levels.
Nobwo enshareji yayigwirweho haciroho okutina aho abashubuzi barukworeka obutamarwa ahabwa obushobozi okurwo mu ihanga rya Rwanda okuzibira emishuburo yabo okutaha omu ihanga eryo na munongo buhunga. Amakuru aga gashakwa Job Namanya omuri Kabare.